Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm making flower fridge magnets. I think they turned out quite nice, and if you like this video, hit the like button. I used Das air dry clay for this because in my experience it's one of the strongest air dry clays. First I made the bases for the flowers. I rolled the clay to about 5 millimeters thick, and then I pressed the magnets into the clay to make a place for them. This way they are nicely hidden inside the clay. I had a small round cutter, but I thought it was too big, so I cut round shapes freely around the magnets. A larger magnet might have been better to make sure it stays on the fridge, but these magnets do not become very heavy, so I think this is okay. Leave the magnets inside the clay so the shape stays correct. We will take them out later. Next, let's make the flower on top of the base. I took small clay balls and shaped them into petals with my fingers. I made round petals for this flower, and for another one I made sharper petals. You can make them any way you like. I scratched the clay surfaces on both the base and the petal, and then I attached the petal to the base. It's a good idea to put the clay pieces you are not using yet into a bag so they don't dry too much. I made 3 layers of petals. I made the petals smaller in the inner layers. I used pens to support the petals when they started to sag. For the last layer, I first joined 4 small petals together, then I added a small ball in the center. I scratched the surface of the ball, and then I attached the whole set to the flower. Leave the flower to dry and let the petals dry completely. Do not turn the flower or take the magnet out yet, so you don't ruin the petals. I let them dry for 2 days, but I think maybe 1 day is also enough because the petals are not very thick. When the petals are dry, take the magnet out. And then turn it around and let the base dry completely for at least 1 day. Then I painted the flowers with acrylic paints. First I painted the back, let it dry, and then I painted the front. Let the paint dry for at least 24 hours before varnishing so the paint doesn't smudge. Then I varnished the flowers with glossy acrylic lacquer. First I varnished the back, let it dry, and then the front. When the varnish was dry, I glued the magnet into its place. The magnet didn't quite fit because of the paint and varnish, so I used a knife to make the hole a little bigger. I wiped away the dust, glued the magnets and let them dry before use. I think these turned out really nice. They are a great project for spring and summer. And it would be nice if you subscribe to my channel. See you again. Bye!